Now, cutting across to overall numbers of COVID-19 cases in India now has surpassed the 7 lakh mark. Going through the numbers, 7,19,665 cases have reported on the whole in India. Death toll now has now reached 20,160. Worst affected states remain Maharashtra on top, total cases at 2,11,987, while the death toll in Maharashtra now stands at 9,026. Tamil Nadu, we're looking at total cases, 1,14,978 cases in Tamil Nadu on the whole, while 1,571 people have lost their lives. Delhi, total cases now reported at 1,823 cases on the whole. The death toll now at 3,115. Remember, the total recovered also stand at over 4,39,000 odd people, close to 60% recovery rate witnessed in the country, which is quite impressive. These numbers come in as of July 7th, 9:30 a.m. Now, amid this pandemic, Karnataka's Davangere resident doctors have been protesting quite a while on stipend that was deprived to them for at least 16 months. Now, in an India Today impact, after our campaign to get these resident doctors their dues, Karnataka Minister Basuraj Bommai is now assured that protesting doctors will be given their stipend. Resident doctors in Davangere's JJM Medical College have been demanding stipend, which they've been deprived of. And speaking to India Today, Home Minister Basuraj Bommai says that it is the duty of the college, they are bound to give stipend to these protesting doctors, to all of the PG interns, resident doctors in the college. And while this comes on one hand, on the other hand, it is the students who cry foul, saying that they're working at a government district hospital. So the blame game on who has to pay the stipend there continues. However, it seems like B.S. Yediyurappa's government, they're trying to draw out a solution. Yediyurappa held a meeting with the doctors, with the government officials there, has assured the doctors that they're going to get their due. Karnataka government in 2018 had put a halt to the 50-year-old tradition of paying stipend to these resident doctors, now saying that the college, which is owned by Congress MLA Shamanur Shiv Shankarappa, must pay for it.
The management of the private medical college is duty bound to give stipends. However, in some cases, they have made government to pay, but all other private medical colleges pay their own stipends. It is not a government college. The Honorable CM has conducted one meeting. He has talked to the management. Probably today or tomorrow we'll settle the issue and we'll see that stipend is paid to the medical students.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.